A fresh and satisfying recipe choice is spinach salad with strawberry vinaigrette. Berries are an important food for many animals and people. They are not simply something to sprinkle on cereal or a salad. They are one of the 4 sacred foods in Anishinaabe culture. In the Midwest region, June is the time the wild strawberries start ripening and begin to appear, glowing like fire in the grass. The heart shape of the berry gave the strawberry the name Ode'imin. Wild strawberries are very different from the strawberries that you buy in the grocery store. Wild strawberries are small, very sweet, and have an intense strawberry flavor. This delicious recipe features a homemade strawberry vinaigrette served over a fresh spinach salad. The combination of vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, potassium, and magnesium in this dish protects your body's immune system and may reduce the risk of heart disease, helps maintain a healthy blood pressure level, and keeps your skin, eyes, gums, and bones healthy. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 8 cups of fresh baby spinach, rinsed and drained, 1 cup of dried fruit and nut mix, a 1/2 to 3/4 cup of feta crumbles or goat cheese pieces or American cheese cubed small. Always start by washing your hands. Blend the strawberries, honey or maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, vegetable oil, salt, and black pepper together in a blender until smooth. After washing your hands again, divide the spinach between 4 plates. Sprinkle dried fruit and nut mix and cheese pieces on top of the spinach on each plate. And finally, top with a vinaigrette. Enjoy!